What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is here, and so are here its specifications and features and whatnot. So all the features have been leaked for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom. What's new with this smartphone is that it will be coming with the larger outer display, cover display, and the inner display will be of 7.6 inches from, as we know from the marketing. And apart from that, the 5G connectivity is coming with this smartphone with up to of 256 GB of a base internal storage, and you will be getting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor alongside a decent RAM support of minimum of 12 GB of RAM. There will indeed be a quadruple camera setup at the back with a 50 megapixel of a primary camera, a 10 megapixel of a telephoto lens with a 3x of zoom and a ultra wide camera. Well, what you need to know about this smartphone is that it will be coming on the specifications you can also see on your screen right now. And apart from that, what we also know about this smartphone is that it will be a 6.3 mm of thickness, and the cover display will be of 6.2 inch of an AMOLED panel. The phone overall will be, when it's folded, it will be its thickness is at 15.8 mm, and the phone will be weighing at 263 grams, which is around 8 grams lighter than its predecessor. The battery capacity this time around will be of 4400 mAh battery, which will support maximum of a 25 watt of fast charging. Now, what do you think about this smartphone and other details, such as it will also be IPX8 water resistant, so you can take it underwater for half an hour for 1.5 meters up to 30 minutes. So that's about the smartphone. And if you are considering us to consider about the Galaxy Watch 5 and review about that, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.